Hello, little friends. Today, we're going on a very special adventure with Timo the little turtle. Timo was looking at a big golden flower at the top of a hill full of butterflies. "You can see the whole forest from up here," said Pia, fluttering by. "Come on, Timo," smiled Lila. The path was long and steep. Timo took a deep breath. He wanted to reach the top, but he knew he would have to go nice and slow. Everyone climbed in their own special way. Lila hopped up quickly. Hop, hop, hop. Pia fluttered among the butterflies, and Timo moved forward, step by step. "This is so much fun! Come on," said Lila. "I'm coming, step by step," smiled Timo. And Pia flew softly right beside him to keep him company. And as they climbed, they sang a song. "Step by step, I'll climb up high. I won't give up, I'll reach the sky. With my friends right here with me, as happy as can be. Nice and slow, with love and care. Every step is special there. Step by step, I'll climb up high. I won't give up, I'll reach the sky." Suddenly, there were big rocks on the path. Lila tried to jump over them super fast and slipped a little bit. Everyone giggled sweetly. But Timo watched calmly and found an easier path around the rocks. "It's safer this way," said Pia from the air, and all three crossed together. And after climbing nice and slow, without giving up, they finally reached the top. Right at that moment, the big golden flower began to open slowly. Hundreds of colorful butterflies fluttered all around them. The three friends watched in wonder. Sometimes the most beautiful things wait for those who don't give up. And they all celebrated together. Lila did happy little hops. Pia flew in circles, and Timo smiled with pride. They even picked up some fallen flowers to decorate the path so other little friends could enjoy the walk too. Today, we learned that it doesn't matter how fast you go. The important thing is to keep going and enjoy every step of the way. What would you do if you saw a hill full of butterflies? See you on our next adventure. Bye-bye.